Hello everyone, and thank you for everyone who watches my videos on YouTube. Our lesson today is level 1 and level 2 grammar. Question 1, and this is part 2. What are finite verbs? Give 2 examples. A finite verb agrees with its subject, and this verb has a tense. So we have 2 conditions. A finite verb, number 1, agrees with the subject. Number 2, a finite verb has a tense. So if you look at this sentence, I am eating an apple. Where is the verb? I'm eating. The verb is I'm eating. What tense is this? It's present continuous. So am is finite because it's present. But eating is not finite and it has no tense unless you use it with other tensed verbs. So finite verbs are sometimes called main verbs or tensed verbs. Some students say I going. Again, going doesn't have a tense, so it's not a finite verb. Again, I repeat, a finite verb, number 1, must have a tense, and we can use it in a sentence. And also, a finite verb agrees with the subject. And what are content words? Content words are the most important words in a sentence. So, main verbs are content words, adjectives are content words, nouns are content words, and adverbs are content words. So if you look at this sentence, if you visit me, I will help you with shopping. So visit is a main verb, so it is a content word. Help is a main verb, so it is a content word. Shopping is a noun, so it is a content word. And what are function words? They are the opposite of content words. And what are they? Function words have little meaning, so they are not the most important like content words. Function words have little meaning on their own, and they only show grammar relationships in and between sentences. So pronouns are function words. What are pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, they, you, me, her, him, us, them. All these are, pronouns. Articles, a and the. Determinants. Determinants are any words which come before nouns. Any words which come before nouns. So the determinants are function words. They have little meaning. Conjunctions and, but, or, so, etc. So again, these are conjunctions are function words. Why? Because they have little meaning on their own. They just help us to make a sentence, Prepositions to, at, in, from, between, against, of, etc. Again, these are function words. Auxiliary verbs, am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, did, done, etc. All these ones, will, would, can, could. Again, these are, function words. They are not really as important as the content words. So function words have little meaning. Modals, again, may, might, will, would, etc. Qualifiers, again, these are like adjectives. And question words like what, when, where. So anyway, I don't want to explain a lot. Let's look at this sentence. If is a conjunction, so it is a function word. It has little meaning. You is what? Is a pronoun. It's a subject pronoun. Me is an object pronoun. I is a subject pronoun. Will is an auxiliary verb. You is an object pronoun. And will is a preposition. So all these words which I underline for you are function words. What does this mean? It means they have little meaning in the sentence. They only help us to give more meaning in the sentence. But the important words are the content words. What's the difference between tense and time? Now this is a very, very, very important question. Tense is what we see, but time is the real meaning of a sentence. Tense and time can be the same if I say we visited Scotland last year, so visited, what's the tense? It's past. What's the meaning? It's past. So here, tense and time have the same sort of like rank on, and they are the same, they are not different. Tense and time can be different. If Joanna came today, I would explain this exercise for her. So came, what's the tense? It is what? It is past. What's the meaning? The meaning is present or future. What's the meaning of came? If Joanna came today, what's the meaning? It means if Joanna comes now, or maybe Joanna will come in the future. So if she comes now, or if she comes in the future, I will explain this to her. So came has two meanings. Came looks past, the tense is past, but it has two meanings. Two meanings. One is present and one is future. What's the difference between the two types of phrasal verbs? Of course, we need a lesson on phrasal verbs, but this is like, very quickly. We have prepositional phrasal verbs and adverbial phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb, a main verb with a preposition, but sometimes the preposition, it looks like a preposition, but we call it an adverbial particle. An adverbial particle. But let's make it simple for you. We have prepositional phrasal verbs and we have adverbial phrasal verbs. What's the difference between them? If I say to you, I will show you around my house. Show here, the verb show, is a prepositional phrasal verb. Why? Because after around, I use a noun. This means around is a preposition. I repeat, after around, I use a noun. This means around is a preposition. And this means show around is a prepositional phrasal verb. But if I say, come with me, I will show you around, full stop. So after around, I cannot see any preposition. I cannot see any preposition after around. I can only see show around. This means show around here in this sentence is an adverbial phrasal verb. Around here looks like a preposition, but in English we call it an adverbial particle because it has no noun after it. What are some of the features of formal English? I define formal English, and this is my definition of it, as the use of formal, accurate words. What are the accurate words? Content words, conjunctions, and modal verbs. Complete sentences, accurate and complex clause structure. So the sentences are complex, the sentences are accurate. Why do we use the accurate words? Why do we use the complex sentences and the complete sentences? The answer is to produce meaningful, grammatical, and functional English. So, again I repeat, I define formal English as the use of formal accurate words, examples, content words, conjunctions, and modal verbs, the use of complete sentences, accurate and complex clause structure in order to produce meaningful, grammatical, and functional English. So I got a degree in the UK is informal, but I obtained a degree in the UK is formal. So I changed got is informal, obtained, I change it, and I use obtained, which is formal. So formal and informal, it's not just about the words, it's like mosaic, it's like a picture, it's like a mosaic or picture. So the words should be formal, the sentences should be formal, the punctuation should be formal, conjunctions must be formal. All these, are important. But I understand you need more practice and more examples on that, but this is just, some explanation. Give one example of a formal conjunction and an informal conjunction word. So is informal and therefore is formal. Again, but is informal, however is formal. We need a lot, I think. Maybe I will put a bit on formal and informal English, because this is important for you. Give 5 examples of the organizational features of texts. So sometimes we call it, organization, sometimes we call it layout or format. It means, what does it mean? It means how you put the information in the text. Of course, the text is anything you speak or write. And you take the information and you put it in a certain order. So, and then when you put it in a certain order, you can use bold, italics, underline, title, and picture. I give you only 5, features of text. The formatting features. Sometimes they call them formatting features. And if you look here, this is B, which is bold. This is, I, which is italics, and this is U, which is underline. But we also have title and picture, subtitle, sometimes web link or tabs. But I just give you 5 examples of formatting features. Sometimes they call them printing features, organizational features. 21. What does grammar study? Grammar studies how we make words and how we make sentences. Of course, making words is studied under morphology, and making sentences is studied under syntax. But this is too difficult for you. Just, grammar studies how we make words and how we make sentences. What's unread past? Now, it's a verb which looks past, but it is used in the present. It is time we studied our grammar book. Studied is unread past. Studied is past simple, and the meaning is present. Why? Because after it is time, we must use past simple. And this past simple looks past, but its meaning is present. Of course, we have many examples of unread past, but this is just one example. What's a subjunctive? Subjunctive is a grammatical mood. What is a grammatical mood? It's a verb category. So when we say subjunctive, it means you are speaking about the verb, which is the most important word in a sentence. But we do not use it a lot in modern English. People use it in speaking, or they use it in writing academic English. They use the subjunctive. So we use it in speaking, and we use it in academic English, writing. But what is subjunctive? It's a verb. We generally see the subjunctive in the third person singular of the present simple, where S can be deleted. So I recommend that David take, and I underline it for you. I put a line under take. Take is correct. David take is correct English. David take is correct English. And this is subjunctive. It means I can delete should before the verb in subjunctive cases. So here, because I use the comment, after the comment I can use a sentence. This is a sentence. After the comment I use a sentence, and this sentence starts with that and then subject and verb. Now I can say David take, or I can say David should take. David take is correct, or David should take is correct. If you want to show you are very good at grammar, you have to say David take, so people think yes, you are good at grammar and you know how to use the subjunctive case. Again, when you use subjects to make a wish, all the time we have to use verb, all the time. And this is again subjunctive case. The verb, this is the verb. I said subjunctive is the verb. This is verb, and this is a verb. So I repeat, when we use subjects, as you can see, I, you, we, he, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, all the time I use verb. If I were you, if he were, if she were, if it were, and this is the subjunctive case, and we use it because we are using, or we are making a wish, as I said. So if I were a police officer, I would what? Help people. Where is the subjunctive? Where is the subjunctive? Would is the past of will. So were is past of was. But when we use the subjunctive, all the time you have to say were. If I were, if you were, if he were, if she were, if it were. So he were looks past, but the meaning is present. Very good. Infinitive. How many infinitives are there in English? Infinitive is the basic form of a verb, which is the base form, before we change it or add anything to it. For example, to go is infinitive, but these words are not infinitive. Goes is not infinitive. Why? I put es to it. Going is not infinitive. I put ing. Went is past. It's not infinitive. Infinitive is the verb before we change it, before we add anything to it. It's the base form. So in English we have two kinds of infinitive. We have infinitive with to and infinitive without to. Help can be followed by either infinitive. I can say I want to help people to learn from this video, or I want to help people learn from this video. So here I use infinitive with to. Learn is infinitive and this is with to. Here I use learn without infinitive. And this is what we say the two types of infinitive. Thank you for watching part 2 of my video. Please click on subscribe if you want to watch more videos in the future. Thank you for listening.